absolutely love my gas stovetop. It is spoiling and incredible, but I just got the Mueller RapidTherm Portable Induction Cooktop, and here's why. There's really one main reason. If I'm cooking something for a long time, like a soup, I don't want to deal with all of the fumes that come from gas range cooking. Whereas this is perfectly safe for my family, and I feel comfortable running this for long periods of time. So let's check this thing out. So I'm putting it on a large clean counter space. Normally I would put it next to my stovetop. Let's open it up. It comes very securely packaged. It is a beauty. It is actually larger than I thought it would be. A great size for a large pot. Basic on-off button. We have a lock. We have a timer, so you could control how long it's running for. And it has different options here. Hot pot, boil, slow cook, keep warm, plus minus, play pause. And then on the back, you have your cooling fan and you have an exhaust vent. So those will run too when it is running. Simple 2-prong cord, about 4 feet long. So let's plug it in. It is now in, it is in standby mode, and I can turn it on. Now when I turn it on, I need to pick one of these within 30 seconds. So I'm gonna click boil. And now it should start beeping at me because I do not have a pot on it. So we'll get a pot on there. And I can hear it working immediately. I'm gonna add 2 cups of water. Now it should start boiling that water almost immediately. It does have a little bit of a staticky noise, and it also has the fan running. It is not a silent machine. Now I chose boil, so it is automatically going to 460°F. Each one has a different cooking temperature. Well, these two are the same. And then a default cooking time. And that's if I don't select a timer. So I could select a timer, and I could say I only want to cook for 4 minutes. I don't know if you can tell, but the water is already starting to bubble. Induction ovens work very fast. Now, if I want to pause the cooking at any time, I just hit the pause button, and immediately I can hear that it is no longer cooking. That staticky noise has stopped. The fan will continue. Hit play again, turns right back on. And when that timer goes off, it'll turn off automatically as well. And if I want, I can lock that, and then none of this will change until the time's up. So we can lock this. Now it is locked. Now if a kid runs by or anyone tries to press any of these buttons, nothing's gonna happen, except for off. Off will still work. So the lock button does not change off. So if a kid runs by and turns it off, you're in trouble. But they can't change anything else on it. So let's get this going again. My water is already starting to boil. This thing is insanely fast, way faster than my gas grill. That part is fantastic. I actually love cooking on induction stovetops as well. It's great for fully controlled cooking. It goes super fast. I'm gonna turn it off now. And now when you turn it off, the fan will go for 1 minute, and it's recommended that you keep it, plugged in for that entire minute before you pull the plug, just so it has a chance to let off all that heat. And it's also warning me right here with the red that this is hot. I cannot touch that. But that will also cool down very quickly. And now the fan has stopped. I would say the fan is loud, so be aware of that. But what an incredible piece of equipment. I will use it for safety reasons if I just want to have something running for a long time and I'm not in the kitchen. And I also will use it whenever I'm having any large events, and I can take it to places and keep it as a warm top as well, which is amazing. So if you are looking for a portable induction cooktop, I cannot recommend this enough. And that's the Mueller RapidTherm Portable Induction Cooktop. I hope this helped you make a decision if this is the right item for your home.